This little puck is one of our most anticipated smart home products of the year. It's called the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock, and it lived up to our expectations. It's awesome. Let me tell you why. All right, so out of the box, the first thing you notice is how compact it is. August says that it's 45% smaller than previous locks, and yeah, it feels like it. You also have this new pattern along the edge. Otherwise, it looks a lot like previous August locks, just smaller. This is the silver one, obviously, but there's also a matte black one on the way. What else? So this is the sensor that enables door sense, so the app can tell you when you left your door open, and then you have various adapters and an optional cover plate. And then in here you've got instructions and screws and everything you need to get the lock installed. The reason this lock is such a big deal is that it has Wi-Fi built in. That's rare with smart locks because of the battery drain, and this is the first August lock to attempt it. With previous versions, you had to buy a separate $80 Connect module, or you were stuck with Bluetooth. To help with battery, this is powered by these two CR123 batteries. Previous versions just used ordinary AA's. Supposedly, these last 3 to 6 months. Like previous August locks, it's retrofit, so it'll use your existing deadbolt. Also, make sure your door closes well and that you have a good Wi-Fi connection at the door. This can't fix either of those problems. This guy is also expensive at $250, but you don't have to buy a Connect module. But CR123s cost more to replace than AA's, but Wi-Fi. Still, even bearing the expense in mind, here's why we like it so much. It's easy to use and easy to set up. Follow the instructions and enter your Wi-Fi info into the August app, boom. Also, the new feel makes locking and unlocking smoother. Hard to define, but it feels nice. Gold stickers for feelings. And did I mention it has Wi-Fi built in? Wi-Fi is great. You're not limited to Bluetooth range when you want to control the device. You can lock and unlock your door from anywhere your phone has a data connection, which is really gonna come in handy when I'm allowed to leave my place again. And that's pretty much what's new. Look, they didn't reinvent the wheel here. They just made a lock that kind of resembles a wheel and makes a funny sound when you roll it. On to more stuff. But lots of other stuff from previous August locks is still here and still great. Set up smart notifications, which are flexible and intuitive, so you'll know if you left the door open or if someone unlocked it manually or whatever other info you might want. Also, you can set up an auto lock when you leave and have it automatically unlock when you get back home. You can also control the lock with your smart speaker of choice. Here's an Amazon and a Google smart speaker. Tell them how much you like the lock, guys. I didn't plug them in. That wouldn't have worked if I had plugged them in. They can control the lock though if you plug them in. Plug in your smart speakers. Other August products have won our editor's choice before. Their locks are fully featured and intuitive. They're awesome. And this is the best one yet. And look at how much smaller it is. It's so delightful. My nitpicks aren't many. I mean, it really is expensive. And I wish you could check the battery life in the app. It will notify you when it hits 25%, but you can't see any status until then. Plus, I really don't like buying expensive batteries. Pouty face. And that's kind of it. It's really good. It's winning our editor's choice. If you're in the market for a retrofit smart lock, the new August Wi-Fi model is the best one out there. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and then have fun with your new lock. Think of all the things you'll be able to keep out of your place thanks to this, that annoying neighbor, door-to-door salesman, bugs, rodents. I mean, they don't actually have opposable thumbs that might not help. Postmates delivery drivers who don't know the meaning of leave the food at the door. In-laws, family that you might actually want inside. Friends, anyone. Social distancing is important. Someday I'd like to see another human again. Until then, this lock is my friend.